Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where feature stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. The Babukeli Islana Connect Center, the final that was between La Masia and Mufullo United Roma. The score was 4 La Masia, 0 Mufullo United Roma. And I'm joined by the contender and the people's player of the tournament. So please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Sanibona nonke umuntu mina ngithi ngegama kenal Hlokonolo Mawken ngidlala kula Masia FC.
So sibonile tournament iqala up until today. I think you were the man of the match. You assisted twice if not 3 times if I'm not mistaken. Nemvula ikuyathuka usiphazamisa kancane. So ijeni yakhe iqala kuphi wena as a player?
No, mina mangicala ngicale Evil Boys Academy from the younger division, and then after lapho ngathi ngithi kuphilo impilo
from lapho yes
kuphilo impilo from lapho ngathi Dube Continental, from Dube Highlands Park Highlands, then Kelly's from Kelly's Baroka, then from Baroka then
you came to La Masia.
Tondolo from Tondolo then La Masia.
Okay, if ijeni babukeli bethu yatso inde kakhulu njengoba seshilo Baroka, Tondolo, Highlands Park, there are so many teams that he has played for. So yini ongayisho wena, you are a role model nazi intwana lana, they wanna take pictures with you, abantu bonke they were shouting your name during the game. Yini ongayisho ukumotivate lezi intwana encane to reach the level that one you have reached?
No, mina futhi manje ngithi into ongayisho ukuthi ibhola lifuna passion, lifuna inhliziyo, because ngiyazi ukuthi ebholeni ngithi kunama ups and downs, sometimes uku-process nini bakukhathile mara ifuna inhliziyo and ngithi ifuna ne-discipline and ngithi modlala ngithi udlala nge-passion, then ngithi uNkulunkulu ngithi uzokureward, ngithi ayikho into angayireward uNkulunkulu.
Useshilo-ke babukeli bethu, so ma udlala nge-passion, udlala ngokuzinikela, udlala ngokulithanda ibhola, uNkulunkulu ekugcineni uzokureward. So i-South Africa as a whole, are we doing justice to development football? The aim of the show is to promote development football from the grassroots, from Opukwini, from Gap Kuma under 6, under 9, up until that level. Because you know, the only platforms that we have, ilabe interview kona only aborele, abomfundo, those who have made it. What about these ones who still need to make it? It justice ikona in South Africa mawucabanga with development football.
No, but man, mina ngithi from my own perspective, yeah. Mina ngifila ngathi ayikho, because if maybe ngithi sifuna ngithi wonke umuntu ngithi ngitafika ku process samele from under 60 siqale simshala ama interview yonke into ngithi marketing and everything, but thinking ukuthi thina sifuna ngithi ukubheka the end product ngithi la uqale khona bazi ukuthi uphuma kuwenzani kanjani.
Exactly my point. So siyabonga kakhulu, so and congratulations for winning the tournament, and by the way I wish you win the player of the tournament, because you played really well all the games that I've seen like next center with Walter Sulukenix. You've played very well. I wish you all the best. So
thank you.
Hola.